and then into bafethu teenage pregnancy, both genders like amachita nabogela yabo. Okay, teenage pregnancy, okay, my teenage pregnancy, okay, ngikhuluma ngabogela, but okay, nathi amachita mfethu, if like you are still a teenage, uzomithisa. Bafethu.
Ngisakeleza
ukuletha ubheka struggle already netime babe naso ngawo or whosoever guardian leona babe ne struggle ngawo ukukhulisa, and then when at the age of 15 to 20 years uletha umuntu emhlabeni kwamele uyosebenza awuna chance, and manje ayidingi lesekuvalela into ezibhaya ngiyangithola because of obvious umama encosi ufuna support yabo, uzofuna support when at the age of 15 kwamele wenzeni usacrifice in maybe scared. So uyacala manje uyospana yabo, which is bafethu is not a good thing. It's not a good thing. Always bafethu you must think ahead. Ungayenza izinto for now ukuthi manje okay I'm doing this, okay yeah it's fun. Or each and everything oyenza life inama consequences.
Yeah,
inama consequences. Yeah.